Come let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day, chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found ASFX, found BSC too. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, the VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release.